Hey everybody, welcome back to Hughes Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to change out a cabin air filter from a 2014 Jeep Cherokee all the way up to a 2018 Jeep Cherokee. Now if you get over here, it's on your passenger side. Get down here, what I did was I pushed the seat back out of the way. It gave me plenty of room. So this panel right here is behind it is where the cabin air filter is. You get your hand up under here and you kind of pull it a little bit. Okay, that's going to bring that loose. Then right here we got three panels. Or three push pins. Pull that, second one, third one, put that to your side. Now if you look right here, you'll see your cabin airflow, your cabin air filter tray. Right here it says the airflow goes that way, so it'll be towards your seats is the arrow for the airflow. If you look right here, you'll pull this pin down and that pulls that loose. And then at the top you're not going to be able to see, but there's a little pull tab. You pull that, comes right off. In here is going to be your cabin air filter. Just kind of grab it, pull it on out. Remember how you pulled it out though. So if you look here, it hadn't been changed in a while, so it's real dirty. For comparison, I'll show you right here. This is a brand new STP cabin air filter, and I'll leave different links in the description part of the video of different brands for the Jeep Cherokee. So as you can see, that's pretty dirty. So I put this one in the box and throw this thing away. Okay. So as the new one, airflow is going to be going towards the seats, so it'll be this way. Okay, it's going to go in just like this. What you're going to do, it's easiest for me, if you look down here, you're going to put the bottom in first, okay? You're going to go from the top and kind of bend it a little bit. Doesn't look good, but it'll straighten itself out, okay? And once you do this, push it right in, okay? It's installed, easy as that, okay? Then to reinstall it, you can start from the bottom, push that in, you'll hear it click, and then the top you'll push in, you'll hear it click as well. All right, then to reinstall this, you'll do the push pin here. Okay, just push on them, push back in. Then this, it has like a little curved point. You'll pick it in, you'll bend it a little bit, push it right in, and then perfect. And then you'll put this part right here. And then you've installed your brand new cabin air filter.